Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to start an LLC in Nebraska. Nebraska LLC Formation Guide. So let's get started. Today I'll walk you through how to start an LLC in Nebraska. So whether you are looking to protect your personal assets or take advantage of Nebraska's high business survival rate, forming an LLC is a smart move. And for those of you who want to make the process simple, you can set up your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent for just $39. Click the link in the description to get started. Now let's dive into the steps on how you can create your LLC in Nebraska. So step 1 would be to name your LLC. So Nebraska requires your LLC's names to include Limited Liability Company or LLC and avoid restricted words like bank or government-related terms. You'll also want to make sure that your name is unique. Use Nebraska's business name search tool in order for you to check your business name's availability. And while you're at it, secure your domain name too, even if you don't plan on launching a website yet. So if you want to go here into this corporate and business search tool of Nebraska so you can check your availability, you can just go into google.com and from here search for Nebraska's business name search tool. And then you would have this result right here from Nebraska's Secretary of State. You want to click on this one, and from here you want to click here on business services, click on corporate and business, and click on corporate and business search. And now here you are for their search tool. And now step number 2 would be to choose a registered agent. So this service receives legal documents on behalf of your business. You can be your own agent, but I recommend using a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent. For only $39, they'll handle this for you, ensuring compliance and protecting your personal privacy. Check the link in the description to set it up easily. And now step number 3 would be to file the certificate of organization. So unlike most states, Nebraska requires you to create your own certificate of organization. This document officially registers your LLC with the state. Make sure to indicate whether your LLC will be member managed or manager managed. This will depend on how your company operates. And now step number 4, which is to complete your publication requirements. In Nebraska, you are required to publish a notice of organization in a local newspaper for 3 consecutive weeks. This step is unique to Nebraska, so don't skip it. Once you publish the notice, you'll receive an affidavit of publication to file with the state. Now, step number 5 would be to create an operating agreement. So although not legally required, an operating agreement is essential for outlining how your LLC will run. It covers ownership, management, and distribution of profits. It also helps further separate your personal assets from the business, which is crucial for liability protection. And now lastly would be step number 6, which is to get an EIN. So you will need an employer identification number from the IRS. This is like a social security number for your business and is necessary for opening a bank account, filing taxes, and hiring employees. You can get your EIN for free directly from the IRS. And there you have it, the essential steps on how you can start your LLC in Nebraska. Now, if you want to skip the paperwork and make the process easier, I highly recommend using Northwest Registered Agent for just $39. They'll handle everything from filing your documents to acting as your registered agent. Click the link in the description to get started. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.